Whenever rich gourd curry is made at home, everyone makes faces, but today we'll stuff the same rich gourd and make such a delicious curry that everyone will keep asking for it again and again. So, to make stuffed ridge gourd curry, first make sure to choose thin ridge gourds. If you take very thick ones, they have too many seeds. And when you stuff and cook them, they turn out quite tough. So I have taken the ridge gourds and we need to peel them first. So let's peel the ridge gourds first. You know, in many places they even make a delicious chutney from the skin we've peeled off the ridge gourd. I'll share that recipe with you some other day. Now let's cut this into pieces. We don't need to cut them too small. Otherwise the stuffing you put inside will come out, so we'll cut them into bigger pieces like this. Now we'll make a slit in the middle of each ridge gourd. This way we can fill the stuffing nicely in the center. So now let's prepare the stuffing masala for the ridge gourd. First, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds here and 2 tablespoons of peanuts. I have lightly roasted these, and the sesame seeds are also lightly roasted. And this is 1 tablespoon of coconut. I'm taking this as well. It's the dry coconut that you get, and now I'm adding it. 2 cloves of garlic and 1 green chili. You can adjust the spiciness according to your taste, and you can also add ginger and onion if you like. At this point, we'll add plenty of cilantro. Now I have taken some dry spices here. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder, and 2 teaspoons coriander cumin powder. I'm also adding a little bit of garam masala. You can add kitchen king masala as well, and we'll add it at the end. Salt. Now, be careful while adding salt here, because after cooking, the ridge gourd shrinks a little. And now we'll grind everything dry. See, the spices have been ground really well. Let's take this out onto a plate. We'll fill all the ridge gourds with the stuffing we made, about 1.5 teaspoons in each piece, and just like this, we'll fill all the ridge gourds. Alright, all the ridge gourds have been stuffed, and the leftover stuffing, just keep it aside for now. We'll add it when the curry is almost done. Now to make the curry, I'm taking about 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Also add a pinch of asafoetida. Add curry leaves, and now gently place the stuffed ridge gourds that we prepared earlier into the oil. Now sprinkle a little water over the vegetables, cover them, and cook over low to medium heat. Just make sure you add only about 2 tablespoons of water. Because ridge gourd itself releases a lot of water, just like spinach, which shrinks a lot after cooking. The same thing happens with ridge gourd as well. That's why you should add very little salt and water. The vegetables are almost cooked and the ridge gourd has become nice and soft. Now at this time, add the remaining spice mixture on top and let it cook covered for the last 5 minutes so that the ridge gourd and the spices blend together. Alright, the ridge gourd curry is ready, so let's turn off the heat and add a little coriander at the end. Let's serve the hot curry now. It's ready to enjoy with roti. Here is the delicious stuffed ridge gourd curry. This curry tastes so good, trust me, it will become a hit in your home.